Yes, hi. Good evening to everybody. Uh, Today we are discussing about few things in the chapter fifth, right? Yesterday we discussed about variables related things, okay? Instance variable and static variables and local variables, these things, okay? Also, before that, please subscribe my channel, okay? If liked my explanation, please subscribe my channel as well, and you can when subscribed, you can press on the bell icon. If pressed on the bell icon, will get that notification when I updated my in YouTube videos. Will get you notification, right? Okay, let's start today. Okay, wrapping up the yesterday class as well. We discussed the variable as well, and here what is variable? Variable is nothing but store the data, right? And we had here variables are three types. Okay, global variable, static variable, and local variable. Okay, global variable nothing but it will variable which is declared inside the class and outside the method is called global variable. Okay, and here static variable and same as a global variable, but we can use the as a static keywords. Okay, that is called static variable, right? And here the local variable is nothing but the variable which are declared inside the method, then the variable is called local variable. Okay, inside the method. That's all about. So those things we discussed in that in the yesterday class. Okay, today class we can discuss here that methods and constructors. Okay, what is methods and how many types of methods is there and how many types of constructors is there, we can discuss today class. Okay, here method his method, what will do the method will do the operations. Okay, whatever it will give in that method, it will give that it will provide the operation. And for example, add two elements, though adding those elements, okay, means it will giving that appropriate value. Okay, it will get that result. Okay, processing the element and it will get the result is called method. Okay, here methods are divided into two types. Okay, methods are divided into two types, right? uh, right, into two types. Here methods, okay, instance methods are non static methods. Okay, here one is the instance method, instance of non-static method. Non-static method. And second one is static methods. Okay, static method. And here a static method also called as a class level method. Okay, class level method. Okay, and here instance, it is instance or whatever it is, non-static method is called object level method. Method object level method. Okay, here uh, here in this class we can write any number of instance and static methods inside that. Okay, instance and static method you can write. Okay, the creating the static method, you will use the static keyword, that's it. Okay, you will use the static keywords. Okay, that's enough. When we create a override the method in Java class, by default JVM will not execute them. Okay, by default JVM will not execute. To execute our method, we can have the call them. Okay, you need to call them. Okay, instance method will be called by using the object. For example, instance method object. How we can call the instance variable? Instance variable, instance instance method, not variable. Okay, instance method, how it is calling here? Object reference, right? Object reference. Okay, object reference dot method name. Dot method name. Okay. Dot method name. That is the instance method. Okay, or non-static method. Okay, and here, yeah, when we have to static method, we have in the same class. Then we can invoke the call to directly without using the class name. Okay. For example, we can create one program for the static one. Okay, instance variable. Okay, instance method and static methods both we can create. Okay, here public public class instance and static method. Okay, method demo. Okay, here this is the big name, right? So instance, and instead of this big name we can use is method. Is method means instance and static methods demo, right? The big name, right? That's why I'm writing like inside that we can create here wide and say hello. Whatever it is, say hello. Hmm? Say hello. This is the method signature. Okay. Say hello, and here you can call them system dot out dot println. And here hello, whatever it is. Hello, full stack Java guru. Java full stack guru, right? Java full stack guru. I am printing here that instance variable. Okay. This is the what is this? This one instance variable. Okay. This one instance variable. Sorry, instance method, not variable. Sometimes it has happened. And we can create static variable, static method as well. Static method here. Okay. Here by using static keyword, static uh, wide greet. Okay, static wide greet. Inside same, you should get that copy here, paste here. Okay, you should remove good evening. Good evening. Okay, good evening. Here, right? I created two things here, right? One in the instance method and another on the static method, right? Here I want to create one object, okay, by using the main method. Okay, public public static public static void main. Okay, string args and here create the this class, right? Sorry, demo is equal to new object is created perfectly, right? Here object is created, and here demo dot what will say hello. You can take here this one, okay, copy and paste here, and again demo dot again you can say great, copy and paste it. Okay, this is the method, right? That's the reason you can put it like this, otherwise you will get that error, right? Hmm? Here invoking the instance method, okay, here invoke invoke instance instance method, right? And here invoking invoke static method, okay, static method. Let we can check whatever it is. Save dot java, okay, here, and take all class, okay, save and open that one where it is. Open means the D, here Java full stack guru, Java class is there, right? Where it is, is it's this one, right? Just you need to cmd here Java C hyphen dot Java, right? Compile, right? Just you can check here. Compiled or not. Dot class file is created, right? Here after that Java hyphen paste. Yes. Here, hello, Java full stack guru. This is the instance method, right? This is the instance method. This is the good evening. This is the static methods. Okay. Yeah. That's way we can create them, right? That's way we can create them. No issues. Okay. When we have the static method in the same class, then we can invoke the correct. We can call directly without having class name. Okay. If it is in the same class, if it is a different class, you can use them with class name as well. Okay. You can use them class name as well. Okay. And here whatever it is that this is the main method, right? In the main method today I will discuss here, right? Here main method, what is the main method here? The Java program execution will begin here only, right? In the main method only Java execution will begin only, okay? JVM always expect the main method like this, okay, like this. This will follow the method signature will follow JVM always. It is follows always. It is in how I can say expecting, always expecting like this only. Okay, always. Okay. Uh, yeah. Here the public means it is the invoke this is the access modifier, right? Public is the access modifier. Access modifiers how many types? Access modifiers four types, right? Is the public, private, uh, default, and protect. Okay, these things. Okay, public means it is the scope of the public. That the scope is the everywhere in your class. Okay, everywhere. Okay, the access modifier, which is indicate that particular entity can be accessed from any location. Any location you can access this one, right? Main method should be declared as the public. So JVM will execute the main method from the any location. Okay, from any location it will it will execute. Okay, static keyword or modifier which is indicate that particular method can access directly using class name. It will directly it will access. Okay, directly it will access by using the static. Okay, because why? Because here the main method should be declared as a static so that JVM can access the main method directly by using class name. Because again and again creating the object, so it will get that headache, right? So instead of using like that, you can simply create the static keyword. By using the static keyword you can create okay. Here void means, what is the void means it is the keyword, it's the return type. Okay, return type means which means is the particular methods can't or does not return any value. Okay, does not return any value. Okay, JVM is not expecting any value from return from any method. Okay, not expecting from main method. Okay, so that main method should have to return type is as void. Okay, should have to return type to is void. Main method already used, I said, right? Main is the name of that method as identifier. Okay, is the method which is fixed according to the Sun microsystem. Now it is Oracle, right? It is a fixed in the JVM implementation. Okay. Parameter of the main method is the string argument, right? This is the parameters. Okay, string args. Okay, parameters of main method are mainly used to accept the command line arguments. This is the command line arguments. It will accept to the resolve the problem to hard coding. Okay, resolve the problem to hard coding. When hard coding is doing that, right, at that time it will resolve the command line argument. It will resolve the hard coding, right? Yeah, and here this one, right, power system dot out dot println. Here system is, this is the statement, right? It is used to display the message to the monitor. Okay, whatever it is here monitor, we are displaying the message, right, by using the which one, by using the system dot out dot println. Okay, so here what is system? System is a predefined class available in the java dot lang package. This is the predefined class, right? System is the predefined class. It is available in the java dot lang package, right? And then out is a reference variable of print stream. Okay, it is the print stream is the reference variable. Print stream class. Okay, it is according to the Sun microsystem. The out is the print stream class. Okay, which is holding the object of print stream. Okay, class and declare here only. Okay, this is the print stream class. Okay, this is the theme is a system is a predefined class. Okay, predefined class. It is available in the system. It is java.lang package, and out is a predefined. It is a reference variable, that is the print stream. Okay, class. Okay, it is the print stream class. Okay, and print ln, it will print line. How I can say, it is instance method. Okay, print stream class, this is also print stream class. Both are the out dot print ln is both according to the print class, print stream class. If you want to the access this method, we must create an object from print stream class, but we don't need to create any object from for a print stream class, because the object to print stream class is already created in where, system class. Okay, here already created, so that's why no need to worry about. Okay, system dot out is a by default connect here. System dot out, it is by default connect to the monitor only. Okay, and system dot in, it is default connect to the it is keyboard. Okay, system dot key in the scanner class. Okay, when we are scanning that object, that purpose we can use that scanner is equal to new scanner and pass the system dot in, right? At the time system dot in means it will connect directly to the keyboard. Okay, keyboard. Okay, that's all about it. And here method recursion. Method. Oh, sorry, this is not. This is actually program, right? This is not this one. Method recursion. Here we need to method recursion. Okay, method recursion. What is the method recursion? Any method that implement the recursion has two basic parts, right? Here basic method call, which is call itself, is recursive. The method has call itself, called method recursion. Okay, itself. Precondition that will stop the recursion. But it is, for example, I created here one. Just wait. Public static void. For example, I created here public static void. Public static void main. Okay. Main here string args. Okay. String args. Here what will happen? String args. Here, for example, the one recurse method. Recurse. Okay. Here one recurse method, right? Here one recurse method. Here one recurse method is there, and static void again I am creating another recurse method, the instance method, and I am creating another method as well. Okay, here how I can say we are using static. Okay, this is the static void return type is void, right? Here static recurse here doing, right? Inside the recursion call we are calling from this method. This method we are calling here inside that. Okay, this method we are calling here. Okay, this method we are calling. This is called a recursion call. Okay, this is called recursion call. Hmm? Recurse call. Okay, yes, recurse call. That is called recurse call. Okay. Yeah, that's all about it. Okay, that's all about it. Okay. Again, we can, yeah, again constructor. Okay, we can discuss about constructor as well. Constructors. Okay, constructors as well. Here. When we declare a instance variable and not initialized any value. Okay, when we declare in the before that instance variable, right? At that time, any value can't be initialized. So then they automatically initialized with the default values. Okay, then default values, right? But if we want to the initialize instance variable with the own values, then we can initialize the instance variable to two types. Okay, one is the time of the declaration using the constructor as well. Okay, constructor as well. Okay, here constructor types is parameterized constructor and default constructor. Okay, parameterized constructor and default constructor, zero param constructor as well. Okay, zero param constructor. Okay, two types of constructor is there, right? And is constructor, the main rule is constructor name must be same as the class name. Okay, whatever it is created, the must be same as the class name. Okay, constructor cannot take any return type. Okay, even though void as well. Okay, it cannot take. Okay, uh, and we cannot return any value from constructor as well. Okay, Constructor can take one or parameters. Okay, take one or parameters. And here default constructor, whatever it is, how I can say, zero parameter constructor and parameter constructor. I told, right? Here zero parameter constructor, we can declare like this. Zero parameter and zero parameterized constructor, we can declare public class user. This is the class, right? This is the class. I told you class name as a constructor name, same as a constructor name. Don't write any return type as well, even though void as well, right? That's the reason. Here user constructor. This is the default. This is the default or zero param constructor. Okay, this is the default or zero param constructor. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the zero param constructor. And here and param constructor. Parameterized constructor we can call like same we can call here. Okay, copy and you can pass here this like here only. Okay, parameterized constructor is same as well. Okay, but you are passing some value in, for example, age. Okay, this is called parameterized constructor. Okay, yeah, that's all about it. When default constructor when the default constructor will be added in JVM, if we not created any user constructor or a parameter constructor, JVM will create automatically a default constructor. Okay, automatically it will create a default constructor. Okay, and constructor overloading is there. Okay, Java constructor overloading is the technique which class have any number of constructor that differ from parameter list. Okay, in other words, defining two or more constructor with the same name but different signature is called. Okay, two or more constructor with same name, different parameter. Okay, called constructor overloading, right? Like method overloading. Okay, yeah, that's all about it. For example, constructor overloading we can call like this. Account for example, constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. Okay, constructor overloading. Example here, like account whatever is int a, like, okay, and account whatever it is, you can say uh, int a int a comma int b. Okay, and account you can pass string string a comma int b. Okay, this is called constructor overloading. Method name is same, but method signature different. Okay, called constructor overloading. Okay, then I will add the program as well. Constructor overloading and sorry, it is param and zero param and parameter constructor. These things I will add the program as well in the description. Please visit them and look at that example because already time is over here, right? Yeah, I think this class is almost all completed, I think, right? Yes, almost 100% is completed. Is the chapter 5th. Okay, we will discuss in the chapter 6th as well in tomorrow onwards. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, before that, you can subscribe my channel, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. When I updated, you'll get notification as well. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.